Due to the rapid development of technology, the use of numerically controlled machines in the industry is increasing. This is the functional block diagram of our system. The main idea behind of this project is computer-aided design-based low-cost 2D drawing robot that can accurately draw complex circuits, diagrams, logos, etc. Geometric data of a CAD model is converted to coordinate points using the Python-based F-engrave application. This system uses the Arduino Uno board as a signal generator of the universal G-code sender. The proposed drawing robot is designed as a low-cost robot for educational purposes and aims to increase students' interest in robotics and computer-aided design skills to the next level. The output generated by the drawing robot is very similar to the given input and the response time is the same for every trial. The accuracy can be improved by installing an appropriate mechanical system. This drawing robot needs to be stable during the drawing process, because any simple vibration can cause errors. Thank you for your attention.